Hi everyone, Ryan from Gray's Classic Cars and Bikes. If you're in the market for a serious race car, we've got coming up this month this 69 Boss 302 Group NC Mustang. Now the car's been built in Brisbane by a well-known race engineer, and they just didn't get some old body shell and throw a roll cage and an engine and gearbox and etc. The body was on a rotisserie restoration and it was restored to show standard. Everything in this car is brand new. It's only done test miles. The car's never been raced. It's got a CAMS-approved roll cage and logbook with it, and it is absolutely stunning. Like, it just reminds me back of the days when Moffat first raced his Mustang back in 1969. The car has had a lot of money spent on it, and everything is done absolutely correct. Engine, gearbox, diff is all brand new, high performance 302. The interior is perfect. The roll cages, as I said, CAMS approved, and it's just turnkey racer, ready to go. Now, you could run this car in so many classes. You could race the car on circuits, or you could do hill climbs or just historic sprints. Whatever you do with this car, you'd have a lot of fun. It's got plenty of horsepower. It's built right. It's built safe, and it's just an absolute stunning car. The thousands of man hours have gone into build this car is unbelievable. It comes up this month at Gray's Online, so send us an email to classic@grays, or pop down to 131 Main Beach Road, Pinkenba. We have the car at our facility now. And if you're seriously looking for a proper, genuine race car, it's well worth popping down and have a look at this car. It's zero spend and it's ready to go, turnkey racer with plenty of horsepower.